Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Satria Lasmana. I have studied in the postgraduate communication studies program of Islamic Bandung University. So today I would like to deliver thing about political PR management in government press conference, a case study of Jabar Punya Informasi or JAPRI program from Public Relations Bureau and Protocol of West Java Provincial Government, which is submitted at Social and Humanities Research Symposium 2020 that is organized by Islamic Bandung University. So please watch this video before.
Untuk menerbitkan izin, maka kita akan tindak bersama dengan aparat penegak hukum yang memang klausul pidananya ada dalam undang-undang.
Ini sudah bertahun-tahun Pak kasus ini. Ada ketegasan nggak dari Pemprov Jabar mengambil alih perizinan di sana biar tidak terus-terusan terjadi galian ilegal untuk penambang emas di sana, Pak?
For the first time, I will to tell about introduction. West Java Governor Ridwan Kamil, through the West Java Provincial Government Public Relation and Protocol Bureau, scheduled a new program that had never been implemented in the previous government period. The program is called JAPRI, West Java Has Information, or Jabar Punya Informasi. In managing the press conference, as part of the media relation program by West Java Public Relation, there are participants who are routinely invited to participate in the JAPRI press conference. They are journalists who are members of the Indonesian Journalists Association Working Group or PWI Pokja Gedung Sate, a forum for journalists assigned to cover government desks, especially in the West Java Provincial Government. This organization is an inseparable part of the various media relation program launched by West Java Public Relation. JAPRI Press Conference Program, which is a product of management of PR political information, then reproduced by journalists to become news, is the context that underlies the research. So that the research question that will be examined in the research are: 1. The political PR work process in the JAPRI program held by the West Java Public Relation program. And number 2, the role and function of journalism carried out by journalists participating in the JAPRI program. And the last, the social construction of political PR managed by West Java Public Relation. This research uses qualitative methods with a case study approach and a constructivism paradigm. The object of this research is the management of political public relation carried out by the public relation of West Java Provincial Government in the West Java Information Got Information or JAPRI or Jabar Punya Informasi Press Conference Program. For the result and discussion, West Java Public Relation political work process through the JAPRI program. West Java Public Relation classified the two main objectives of the JAPRI program. For the first, anticipating negative issue related to regional head of institution, as well as a space for socialization and publication of program execution according to the governor political promise. The stage of political PR work process in the JAPRI program for the first time were to create a JAPRI concept in accordance with the direction of the Governor of West Java to be held regularly once a week, relaxed and humanist. The process in the table, we can see media monitoring from the technology, two-way from bad news, hoax, socialization, and socialization of the government political program. And the PR team was selection, information, and social construction, the information. And then selection and direction of research person, prepared meals and incentive SIM for the participant, and then briefing to journalists, all team PWI Pokja Gedung Sate, journalism organization, preparation of news release, and then the show JAPRI program. Next slide. The role and function of journalism participant in the JAPRI program. In the table we can see mass media construction, to extra media, external ideology, media framing, term of reference, and go to JAPRI program momentum, and the topic. If the topic match with TOR, press release, and journalists go to the formal interview. If the topic doesn't match with it TOR, informal interview or doorstop, is going to journalists to do this. And then reduction information in the reduction team, and constructing again, and the last news published. The next slide, social construction of PR politic managed by West Java Public Relation. In the SIM we can see political public relation who West Java Public Relation do, and formation of public opinion, formation, generate, create of public opinion, and then construction of social reality, and political hype media relation for the method, and then JAPRI program show off. From the JAPRI program, the journalists take that information and go to the media institution. Construction social reality of media mass. Construction social reality of mass media is due to the media institution, and then the internalization in the mass media, and the all factor in the institution create the news, and from the news we can see the government image do this. The conclusion is formation of public opinion is the main objective of JAPRI program. Number 2, political hype strategy was used to massively disseminate publication. For number 3, the social construction process of mass media and all the aspects that influence it, such as ideology, framing, to the selection of the mass media point of view are stage that cannot be denied. For number 4, the construction processes in two public institutions, namely the government and the mass media, both carry out the social construction of reality. So that is accepted by the public is the result of two dialectical process between the government and the mass media. For the last recommendation, this research basically need to be followed up by the text analysis and discourse analysis from the news published by the mass media of JAPRI program participant. Thank you for your attention. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.